In this video, we will be showing you how you can fix if your cast screen is missing on Android. First is to power cycle your Android phone and the smart TV or the Chromecast and the Wi-Fi router. Next is to confirm if both Wi-Fi and phone are on the exact same Wi-Fi network. Go into your TV settings and make sure that the screen or casting is enabled and not black. Update your phone's OS and the TV's firmware and all related applications. Now, do this deeper troubleshooting. You can clear the cache or data. On your phone, just head to the settings and find the apps and find Google Play services and tap storage. Then clear the cache and clear the data and do the same for Android System Web View and the Google Home application. And then save everything or apply everything. And that's how you can fix if your cast screen is missing in Android. And thank you for listening.